Hello everyone, welcome to Sauder Motors. J-Lap with you here. Today I want to show you this 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. As you can see, it's actually a Dodge Braun Entervan. So we have a handicap accessible van here. Take you around the outside. This is a SXT. So we've got the fog lights, we've got reinforced body here, as you can see. The tread on the tires, nice wheels. There's the back here, reinforced there, on the side. So I want to start with the key fob here, show you what we got. Right. So we do have trunk access with this. There you go. We've got driver's side door. Show you through here. Passenger door where the ramp is. So the door will open and the ramp will kick out. Touch of a button. That's convenient. Show you the inside here. Got the back seat that folds down. Got the straps on the floor, which are adjustable. DVD player top. We'll point out the two front chair stations. They do have wheels. You can remove them, which adds to the seating here. Now, before we get up front here, I want to go back out here and show you the ramp action. So like I said, that was all automatic and with the touch of a button here. So let's close everything up. And in order to get the ramp back up, we need to start this guy. And this is the button that we're looking for right here in the center of the dash. Get it focused. So we push this guy and the ramp comes up and the door closes just like that. Let me show you some other features here. So as you can see, we've got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This one has a Bluetooth that's been added. Got the lights, obviously. Here we are with the mileage, 55,647 miles. Got the CD player and radio, all of that set up for satellite radio. Got heated seats, dual climate control. So a lot of features in this van. Also, your buttons are up here for door and liftgate control. If we can get focus there. And I want to show you this other feature here. So, get in the van here. We open this door. Okay. So as you can see, door is opening. Ramp is going down. What we can do here, this little button right here, it is the kneel button. We turn that on. It kicks in the hydraulic suspension that we have in the back, and it'll actually lower the rear suspension. We're going down right now, so it gives you a more favorable angle for the ramp. So we can turn that off right here. Flip it back off. We're going to close this up, get the ramp back in. And as we do that, since our kneel is off, the suspension will return to normal and we'll raise it back up. So there you go. That is our 2010 handicap accessible Dodge Grand Caravan. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call at Sauder Motors. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great day.